You know how competitive the parents can do for the kids? They look for good schools and good training classes. This is the most famous stable in Beijing. There are many good cafes in this area, so the parents, especially the young mothers who are waiting for their children, usually drive there to have coffee to kill time. Let's see their cars. A chocolate vintage Benz E, a fashionable mother. The logo is changed to a black one, which offers it a different charisma. Take a look. A cement grey Urus, a low-profile Lamborghini SUV, but its orange caliper is so high-profile. An interesting mother. I just saw a Kia with Shanghai plate. I guess it has no permission in Beijing. Two Urus in the same place. So intense. I usually see the red Alphard. It belongs to the mother who waits for a child. She has classes there and come to ride. That vintage Cherokee should be a father's car. That Mega has the same color like mine. What Mega impresses me the most should be CETL's killing 5C battery. Because of its rapid recharging speed, plug it in my 5C charge station, it took 11 minutes and 13 seconds to charge it from 5% to 80%, namely 80 kilowatt hours. For parents, most of the cars are Li Auto. Look at L9 there, and the charging one there is a green Li Auto L9. This is a blackish green L9, that's an L7 or like Li Auto cars. Why do I say most of them are mothers? Because it's 3 p.m. Beijing time, so most fathers are still working. So nearly all the parents here are housewives who come to ride with their kids. Certainly, housewife is the hardest job in the world, which is not easier than working. A thumb up for those mothers. Here are some cars. My regular viewers, you know that coupe? It belongs to a lady from our marketing department. She's still single and has no children. You may try your luck. She's a gorgeous lady. Have you noticed it? Whether the domestic or the foreign leading new energy car enterprises all use the new energy battery produced by the bellwether in our industry, CATL. Even some vehicles of Tesla are using it. A thumb up. While watching my blue Xiaomi, it reminds me of one thing. Did you watch Lei Jun's speech several days ago? He announced that his Xiaomi Suqi's newest Ultra GTR version has a 1 to 100 km/h time of 1.97 seconds. Spectacular. It uses CETL's GTR Ultra high power battery, Kailin 2. Its discharge power reaches 1330 kilowatt hours. So powerful. Sounds so dramatic. Fantastic. Guys, what training classes and courses have you applied for your children? Say it in the comment section.